Matthew, good to see you. Tell us about Project Fair Shot, this idea that you can create a digital line where people can see transparently where they are in the queue for vaccine distribution, and why you think this is an important addition.
So around the world, we're going through what is one of the most difficult logistic challenges in all of humanity. And I think what our employees were struggling with, and a lot of your viewers were struggling with, is getting their parents or in some cases themselves registered for the vaccine as it's coming out. And we've seen time and time again around the world websites that are set up to administer those appointments crashing under load. And so what we realized was, while we couldn't help with cold shipment and we couldn't help with actually administering the vaccine, that Cloudflare did have the resources and the technology to help make sure that as people went to register, that they got a fair shot at getting their vaccine. And so this morning, we're announcing that if you're a government, a municipality, a hospital, a clinic, a pharmacy that is charged with scheduling these appointments, that we'll provide our technology and our technology expertise in order to make sure that you can keep up with the demand and make sure that the people who are eligible for vaccines are able to get them.
You raise such an important point about logistics, because the speed at which so many of these vaccines spoil, right, because they need to be refrigerated, they need to be used, it is staggering. And also, we're hearing all these stories about, janitors at one place getting access to a vaccine while people with pre-existing condition, age over 70 in another location, have not been vaccinated. What is it that we can learn about what we're seeing so far in vaccine distribution, and how technology needs to be brought to bear throughout society?
Well, I think that we all, as technology leaders, have a duty to help humanity in this time where we're all suffering, and we all are rooting to get past this disease as quickly as possible. And so what we realized was, while we can't roll the trucks with the refrigerated trucks, and we can't actually be the ones administering the shots, we can make sure that if you're eligible for a shot, go to register, that the site actually holds up and works. And that's what Cloudflare is good at. We're good at making sure that the internet works the way it should, and we're really proud of the role that we've played in doing that when the world has needed the internet more than ever before over the last 10 months.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.